Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to block in Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the application. After that, open it. Here you will see these options from which you have to choose battle mode. Then you will see building like structure. You have to click on that, which will lead you to this page. There you will see fight option. You have to click on that. And now your battle is started. To block and protect yourself, you have to tap on the screen with your both fingers at same time. If that is done, you will not be knocked out. So this is how you block in Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.